Take your order.
Well, it's not that bad.
Hello everyone, my name is Macintosh, known as Scott Mine. I am here playing more tf2 with some new people and some old people. Say your names.
Hello, I am Comet Sean. I was in the last video.
I am fluttershy. Squee.
That's so adorable. How do people think that should be adorable?
Hey, Vinyl. Vinyl, let's have a tea party.
Hello, everybody. I'm your worst.
Oh God!
I want a tea party.
Come on, get die!
Oh, I want to have my
Milk! Oh God!
How's it going, everybody?
Vinyl raped me. And Vinyl, another person named Vinyl's here, so we're doing more TF2 for a while. I'll start a new playthrough soon.
Lordland.
So yeah.
Yes. What do you want?
Knock knock.
So enjoy.
Yay!
How dare you bug me and have bugged me for nothing? I will destroy you.
Herbadur.
I never get a kill ever seaman or steel litter.
Okay, come here.
Have some milk!
There's semen. Oh, I think you should keep that to yourself.
Okay, that was an epic failure.
Oh, I'm jumping!
Off on that shit, dude.
Grab, below.
Seriously, look at his fucking fist.
Yeah, he's a good basketball
It
today.
didn't work that way. I just would give him milk.
Come here,
Just wanted to give him milk.
It's messed up.
This guy was up, Jason. Come on, chase the skunk. Oh, come on, dude, chase the skunk. Chase the skunk. Come on.
Not a spy, protect.
Yeah.
Have another fish.
Oh shit.
Let's get a hairdryer, get a hairdryer.
Let's see, that was close. Oh, I was fucked up.
Yeah, so hot.
I should pay attention to you two.
Feels nice and warm.
Lord, your mission is to slap everybody with a
Flash
fish.
on me, I could come behind you and whack you with my floppy fish. Look at how floppy it is. Look at that flop.
Oh God.
Ah! Ow. Come on, idiots, I'm down here! Come get me! Oh, my fish is nice and tasty, you know you want some.
Everything will start on your own YouTube
Hey,
channel.
Lord, where are you?
Hey, Gary, I'm over here!
I'd love that.
Over here!
I can't see.
Wake up in the morning feeling like Dalai Lama.
Are you in the
Another
cave?
episode of Funny Gaming. More slapping with the fish.
He's not in the
Episode
cave.
Green unicorn? Nice! Oh, she cracked it! Nice!
Nice.
Nice job.
That's lucky as hell!
Good
Oh
crap.
God.
Good crap.
She's spazzing. Don't spaz too much, we still need you.
Oh God, they come from both ways. Oh me. No fuck.
Yeah, it was like $18 worth it. Humiliation! Humiliation! Look out, Rambo, they're behind me. I fucking caught that.
They want you dead.
That's for sure.
Wait, was that a bad craft for you or a good craft?
Oh, I'm alive.
I love how you dropped all of them off the side of the cliff. That was beautiful.
Everybody's seaman.
The bad thing is,
Humiliation! Humiliation! Bye bye. Hey, thanks for the boost! Humiliation!
Oh, wait a minute, I'm back here. Okay, I'm back.
Yeah.
You know how when you slap someone
Big
with a fish?
fast,
You
as
have
a
to deal
big
with
fisted
me.
freak. I'm a freak! Freak of nature! Okay, Lord, come here! Come here, Lord!
Oh, I'm gonna air rape you. Come here.
Come get me!
Oh, come here.
Come here!
Oh, come here.
I'm right behind you!
Come
Come
here.
here!
Oh, I died.
Oh!
No!
It's not supposed to be like this! Come here, Lord! Wrong!
Here's mine.
Wrong one!
Oh Lord.
I can't say the word wrong.
earlier and you don't see me whining.
You're all in the wrong neighborhood.
More milk! Milk! Get the fun admins.
Hey, Sonic.
Get the, other stuff.
Hello,
Sonic, you wanna go
hey.
fast with me?
Bosses.
I just
Not
want to
go fast.
What you got the
Let's go
RPG?
fast.
Go fast.
and
Wow.
I'll be Chris and you
That
be my
sucked.
mom.
Well, what you gonna do? Yeah, so it's not that bad of a server.
I'll be Chris, you can be Sonic. How you
I'll
doing,
play on other
Fluttershy?
servers. Why not? I'll play on. I'll play some regular one. I'll play some man vs machine. I'll do a little man vs machine.
Oh, you did not just say.
I'll do a creepy pasta for Team Fortress 2 if it comes up, or another game. Why not?
Creepy pasta?
Yeah.
creepy pasta.
Wait, why creepy pasta?
I have no idea, but it sounds delicious.
No. It's a whole. It's a creepy pasta. It's like saying Jeff the Killer. It's a creepy pasta. It's creepy things that other people make up.
Oh my god, I got infinite donuts! Whee! Whee!
I can tell you, I want to give it.
Up here.
Look at that! Look! It's a new species of flying. The Lord.
I can see my house. I can see my house from here.
I'm so bored.
Hey, knock knock, Fluttershy.
Who's there?
Brian.
He would bring that up.
Not Brian.
That up.
That's the end of the joke.
Not this early.
That was stupid.
I'm not at the door. I'm not at the door.
Brian's ready to rape you.
No.
Oh God! Finally, you
Enjoy
would do that.
No,
You
I'm
would
getting
do
away
that.
from your door.
No. Lionel, why?
Please maintain direct eye contact with SCP-173.
Where is it?
That contact equals rape.
Don't turn around, otherwise you will.
What against SCP? Is that?
Wait, we're fighting
A
against
fish!
Badger. You believe in magic like I do. You believe in magic like I do.
Oh, I didn't give him milk. Taste the milk.
All right, buddy. It's time to end this episode. I'll see you next time I record.
Milk?
Peace out.